Well, that was a mean feast. I was up here at this water tower once again. The video I did last week, showing you the waypoints mission, and I thought I'd come back up to do another video. However, Storm Caroline is stopping me flying. I did put a post on the community tab yesterday, I think it was. Anyway, I just thought I'd nip back and show you some of these gusty winds. I think it's around about 47 to 50 miles an hour these gusts are, and I'll show you the footage from yesterday. So the point yesterday is I went up to the water tower, as I've just said, and I was working on another waypoint video for you guys, which will now have to wait until next week. But I just thought I'd show you exactly what actually went wrong. As you can see, I just missed a power line there. Now you can see that the drone is moving about a bit, and the these wind gusts and wind speeds are between 40 and 50 mile an hour. See the radar there picking something up to the right hand side of me. So what I did, I leveled up the drone again with the water tower, because what I wanted to do was, like I say, another waypoint, which I'm going to bring you next week now, how I can show you different kind of ways you can use waypoints, and this was the intended point of the video. However, as you can see in a minute, I moved the drone back and up slightly in altitude, only up at about 40 feet. This tower's about 90 feet. It's not quite at the top, and then all of a sudden I get a big strong wind gust. Absolutely no control whatsoever. There we go, it pushes me straight to the side and just clips the top ends of the tree. And you can see how I went up out the way, strong wind warning, and you can see it's now knocking it about. The gimbal's shaking, it's doing all kinds of things. I'm trying to fight towards the left hand side to get it back to me, and it was having none of it. So I thought the best thing to do is just to land it, miss that power line, go underneath it and land it straight down out of the way. And the reason I'm showing you this video is obviously to show you that you shouldn't be flying anything over 25 mile an hour. Even right near the ground, it's getting battered around a bit. You can see the wind in the grass there. What actually happened? Let's get out of the car and have a quick look. You can probably hear that's the offending article. You see it's blowing an absolute gale up here. It's pretty rough. Let's see the water tower where we did the flight around with the waypoints. That's the offending tree where the Mini 4 decided to take itself off into there. Let's get back in the car. Extremely windy. Obviously you can't see my hair blowing. Ooh, yay. But you can probably hear the noise. So there we go. What not to do when it's windy. Right, let's get some footage of the Mini 4 in these strong winds. Stand by. So we're in this really strong gusty winds today. 45, 47 miles an hour. You can probably tell with the wind noise in the camera. We've got the Mini 4 up about 4 foot off the ground. It's flying into the wind at the moment. Not doing too bad, it's hovering okay, but Being blown back, look. Down a little bit. See him being blown back. Full stick towards the wind. Came up slightly. To be fair with you, to say it's a 250 gram drone, which is blowing me about now, it's doing pretty well. But we're literally only 6 feet off the ground. You can see why yesterday it took me straight into that tree. Unbelievable. Still being blown backwards. Right, we better get it landed before it gets any worse. 45 miles an hour wind gusts. It's actually 25 mile an hour at the wind level at the moment. It's just incredible over here at the moment in the UK. But I just thought to make this little video just to show you how the wind affects these mini drones. And to be quite honest with you, any more than 25 mile an hour, I won't even get it out of the box. Really not. So there we go, just a short video today, this week. I managed to get out and bring you a little bit of something to look at and to think about. If you've got some use out of the video, don't forget, as always, give us the old thumbs up. And if you're new around here, why don't you consider subscribing, dinging the dong and all the rest of it that goes with it. I'm sure you know me by now. And you might like to watch those couple of videos over there that I've chosen for you, and if you do, I shall see you over there. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.